I was doing bad for a minute. Blessed that I came up, so now it's back to the business. It's the process.
So Star Show, we out here. You see nothing? It's clean, boy.
First concert. What time you got?
Oh, yeah, barely made this day, bro.
Especially something fresh, people gonna be on that.
Different, you know. You don't see nobody else with that color. That ain't candy apple, motherfucker. That's candy apple over there. That goddamn Chevy over there.
Like you said, I thought it was a candy too. Yeah, like you said, but like you know, you can play with some pictures. What year is that shit, Bob?
53. I talked to them he said about that from his past. No, I'm 59. I said, y'all been through that 1 year. No, I like the truck. You got a badass car. That's what I'm talking. Oh, bro. This is cold.
So now it's back to the business. It's the process.